Hello everyone, welcome to today's NEC license exam final hour preparation series. In this video, we will solve 10 of the most repeated and expected questions from the topic Basic Civil Engineering. Okay, let's get started. First question, the initial setting time of OPC is? The answer is 30 minutes. Similarly, the initial setting time of OPC cement is 30 minutes, whereas the final setting time is 600 minutes. Similarly, which compound in cement is responsible for early strength? The correct answer is C3S. C3S is responsible for early strength, whereas C2S is for ultimate strength, and C3A is responsible for initial setting time, and C4AF is responsible or it is used as a filler medium. Which form of material is best for repetitive use? The correct answer is steel. Timber, it is cheaper option, whereas the steel is durable and it can be reused. Similarly, primary raw material used for manufacture of cement is? The correct answer is limestone. It is basically a combination of limestone and clay in the ratio 3:1. The compound of the paint that gives it color is? The correct answer is pigment. Which apparatus is used to determine the soundness of cement? The correct answer is Lee-Chatelier apparatus. Beckett apparatus is used to check the consistency or the setting time of cement, whereas Lee-Chatelier's apparatus is used for the soundness determination. The drawback of electric seasoning of timber is? The correct answer is splitting. Seasoning is done to reduce excess moisture, whereas due to electric seasoning, cracks or splitting can be seen. The water absorption of first-class bricks will not exceed. The correct answer is 15% by weight. For the first class, it is less than 15%, whereas for the brick of second class, it is less than 20%. Similarly, which is the test or coarse aggregate to measure the toughness or strength? The correct answer is impact test. Test is used to determine the toughness, whereas abrasion test is used to measure the hardness, and the crossing test is used to measure the strength of aggregate. The standard size of brick in Nepal, as per practice, is approximately? The correct answer is 230 into 110 into 75 mm. If the general practice is asked, it is 230 into 110 into 75 mm, whereas if it is asked as per IS code or Nepal standard code, it is 240 into 115 into 57 mm. Please check the playlist for further solved questions of other topic. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Until then, thank you for watching and best of luck for your preparation.